These are all the parts out of the box. It shouldn't take that long because it looks like all the pieces come together really nicely. This is what the assembly looks like. We organized all the parts into their respective sections, and this is going to make it a lot easier to put it all together. So we are done with the two pieces, the headboard and the end piece, and we're going to move on to the bridge to connect it all together soon. You know, putting the bed together, the material feels really sturdy, really solid. Even the connector points, it doesn't seem like it's going to budge. And the way they constructed the mechanism where they meet together, it slides in and there's a screw in between, it's going to hold really nicely well. So far, pretty good. The headboard and then the end piece are finally connected, and then we're going to bridge them together with the middle piece now. Okay, the bridge is finished. We're gonna just take each one of these, and slide them into each end and just follow through all around. So they're all in. Here's the middle piece in with each of the stands in the middle. Now we're gonna move on to connecting all of these end pieces together. We could have done that earlier on, but in case we made a mistake, we didn't want to do that. Here's the final assembly. One thing I do like is there's a lot of space underneath, and I have a lot of boxes that I like to keep underneath the bed, so this is perfect for our setup and plentiful of space for what I need. Here it is with the mattress on. We also have the box spring, which is no longer needed, and like I said, there's plenty of space underneath. We have a lot of containers that we would like to store underneath, so this is perfect for us. So far, this is looking really, really nice.